Hello, today you're looking at a Sassc 1000 amp 9 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This has been fully tested, checked out, in great working condition. We'll get that running for you in a second. Show you guys the nameplate really quick. See if you guys can see that. Overall dimensions, 41 inches length, 27 inches width, 64 inches high. This is 680 pounds. It is wired for 460 and 3-phase. We'll go ahead and get that started for you right now. Bring you guys over to the O-scope. It's a quiet running unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.